Hey everybody, welcome to my live. If you are earning income, if you have a job and you are still living paycheck to paycheck, this live is for you. This is for you guys, for all of us who are out there earning a wage and still not making the money that we are hoping to make from our paychecks. This live is for you. My name is Beth Hayes, and I help regular people like you and me legally increase their income by $600 or more per month by doing something called income shifting. So we're going to talk about that a little bit tonight. Now, income shifting is 100% IRS approved. There's no selling needed. There's no recruiting. It's just a smart money move, okay? So let's talk about exactly what that is. Let's get into it a little bit. First of all, did you know that you could give yourself a raise? Did you know that you don't have to ask your boss? You don't have to work more hours. You don't have to get a second job, and you don't even have to get a side hustle to give yourself this raise. Income shifting is going to help you do that without any of those other things. You can get a raise without any of those other things. And now maybe some of you are thinking, aren't you the side hustle lady? Well, yes, I am the side hustle lady, but this is a way for you to increase your income without having to have a side hustle, without having to recruit a single soul, without having to sell anything. You just do income shifting and you can increase your income. Now, forgive me, I gotta hydrate today. So let's talk about, why do we need more income? Why do we find ourselves in this position where we do need more income? First of all, if you need more income, go ahead and drop your favorite money emoji down in the comments. A lot of us are in this position where we just could use a little extra money each month, but we don't really want to work a second job. We don't want to spend more time away from our home and our family and friends. We just need to make more money, find more money in our paycheck, right? Well, I'm going to help you do that. Income shifting, as I mentioned before, is a strategy that is backed by the IRS. And a lot of us find ourselves in this position right now because the cost of living is going up. You know that. This economy is up, it's down, it's everywhere. And we need to have some more stability by having some extra money. Raises are getting harder to come by. Most of us are giving away over $6,000 a year to the IRS for free. We're getting nothing back in return for that. We're just giving that money away. And we don't even realize it, most of us. So that's what I'm here for. I want to wave that flag and say, hey, let's keep more of this money in our paychecks. That $600 per month could probably help you guys with something. What could you do with that extra $600 a month? Feel free to leave me a comment if you want. What would you do if you had an extra $600 per month? Maybe you could use it to buy gas. Maybe you could use it to pay a utility bill. Maybe you can get some more groceries. Maybe you could even take a little vacation after a month or two, a little trip with your family. So glad to see you guys on here, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can keep that extra $600 per month in your paycheck, okay? So this IRS approved strategy called income shifting requires just a few minutes of your time. It's 20 minutes of your time, and there's one form, just one form that you'll be adjusting. It's that W-4 form that you get when you first start your job. It's one of those forms you fill out that you have to turn into your HR department, and you decide right then what it is that you're going to have withheld from your paycheck, right? So when you adjust this form and take that 20 minutes right now, you can adjust this form. You can do that at any time and submit that again to your employer. And most people, when they make this adjustment, are finding themselves with an extra $600 in their paychecks. Now that's pretty amazing, right? And this works for everybody. It's not just like a certain sector of the population that this applies to. It can be anybody, teachers, truck drivers, nurses, anybody, working retail. If you have a job where you filled out a W-4, you can adjust that W-4 and you can keep more money in your paycheck. So if you could use that extra $600, be sure and leave me your favorite money emoji down in the comments down below. Now, just a few examples. There's Jessica, who's a teacher. Use this income shifting strategy, and she was able to see her paycheck jump by $580 per month. $580, that's pretty close to the 600 number I was been throwing around out here, right? And I just last week helped somebody fill out their form correctly, adjust their W-4, and they were able to save $700. Now that's even more than the $600 that I've been saying. $700 extra per month. What would that mean for you? It's really pretty amazing, and this person was so excited to be able to share an extra $700 a month with her family. So there's me too. I already did this. I did the income shifting strategy, and my husband and I are able to save and bring back home in our paycheck. We're able to save $570 per month. So that's pretty amazing. I was very grateful to be able to do that because, again, in this economy, I need that extra money. You know, with the price of gas, it's up, it's down. You just never know what's going on. I can, some of the things that I have to buy might have a tariff this week. They might not next week. Who knows what's going on with any of that, right? But I sure could use that extra money, and I was grateful to get it. And I want to be able to help you guys be able to get that as well. I want you to be able to get that extra money in your paycheck. And no, you don't have to recruit anybody. You don't have to sell anything. You just are learning how to use this strategy to your advantage, okay? Now, by the way, though, if you're the kind of person who likes to share what's working, we've got a comp plan in this side hustle that pays up to 95% direct commissions. Sip of water. Oh, sorry, hydrating today. 95% direct commissions and monthly residuals. No comps, it pays to infinity. If you are interested, if you like your results that you get from income shifting, why wouldn't you want to share that with somebody else? With your friends, with your family, you can share that information with them and you can be earning commissions as well. Now, you don't have to do that, but you can if you want to, and it'll be an extra source of income for you as well. If you even just help a couple of people, then you are putting extra money in your pocket each month. Don't we all want that? A little extra money without a whole lot of extra effort? And it just comes naturally that you would share your results that you get from your income shifting, just like I'm sharing with you guys my results that I got from income shifting. Okay, so not only can you fix your own finances, but you can also help other people fix their finances, and you get paid for doing that. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Makes perfect sense, right? Okay, so I just wanted to, excuse me again, I'm going to cough if I don't drink some water. I just want to share this information with you guys. And if you're interested in learning how you can do this, I have a 10-minute tutorial. Go ahead and send me a DM me the word info, and I will get you all of the information that you need so that you can learn how you can put that extra $600 back in your paycheck. And if you like your results, share it with your friend, share it with your neighbor. Gets even more money coming in each month. I want to help you guys. See, my mission is to be able to help as many people as possible make a little extra money and make their lives better by not having to stress every day about what their financial picture looks like. That's what I'm out here for, sharing this information with you guys, because I've been there myself. I hate it. I hate worrying about, well, how am I going to pay this bill now? Where did this come from? Oh no, somebody has to go to the doctor, and now I have to figure out where I'm going to get that money from. I hate that feeling, and I know you guys probably do too, and I want to share with you a way that you can put money back in your paycheck, okay? So again, most of us, we don't know that we're giving that money away. We let the government keep our money for us for the whole year, and then we file our taxes come April. We hope to get a big refund, right? Raise your hand if you hope to get a big refund every April. I know I've been in that very same situation, but there's no guarantee that that refund is coming back to you. And couldn't you use that money right now? Again, for these emergencies that come up, for your car breaks down and you have to fix it. Wouldn't it be nice to have a little extra money that you were able to set aside because you got a little more money in your paycheck? So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. I want you to be able to have options. Options are good. I like options, and I think that everybody should be able to have some options. So that's why I'm sharing this information with you guys. Again, if you are interested in learning how you can watch this 10-minute tutorial and learn how you can put this money back in your pocket, DM me the word info after this live is over, and I'll send you the information that you need, okay? I'm glad to be able to be on here with you guys. And before you ask, I have a few answers to some frequently asked questions. We'll call this the FAQ section here. So first of all, is this legal? Well, yes, it's legal. It's a government form, the IRS form W-4, legally approved by the government. It's all perfectly legal. You're just adjusting your withholding on this form and resubmitting it to your HR department. Is it really hard to do? That's a question I get a lot. No, it's not hard to do. It only takes you 20 minutes. Again, there are tutorial videos that I have for you to watch that show you just what you need to do, how you can fill this form out appropriately, what's best for you, your family, your situation, okay? I want to be able to let you know that for sure you can do this. I can do this, you can do this. It's really simple. This tutorial walks you right through how you can do that, and it only takes less than half an hour of your time for sure. And you just submit it back to your HR department and you're good to go. Do you have to recruit anyone? Well, no, you don't have to recruit anyone. You can choose to if you want to. Again, if you like your results, if you like what you see when you do income shifting and put some money back in your paycheck, perhaps you want to share that with your friends and family, and I would love to have you do that. If you do that, I can help you learn how to do that. And if you do want to share with your friends and family, you can make even more money. As I mentioned before, up to 95% commissions. That's all explained in this 10-minute tutorial video. I go over all of that, how much extra money you can make if you do decide to share this with your friends, family, strangers on the internet, like I'm sharing with you guys. It goes over all of that right there in the video, in the tutorial video. So drop me a comment. Well, actually, just send me a DM. DM me info, and I'll just send it on over to you guys, okay? And I'm so excited to get to be here with you and share this information. I want to help you have a better life, a better more stress-free life where you don't have to worry about how am I going to pay now that my tire is flat and I have to get a whole new tire. I don't like that feeling. I don't like that feeling at all, and I'm sure you guys don't like that feeling either. So if you have a little more money withheld coming back in your paycheck, then you won't have to be so stressed out in life. And that's my goal, is for you to not be so stressed out in life. Thank you guys so much for being with me tonight. Don't forget to send me a DM me the word info, and I'll send you that information over on that tutorial, 10-minute tutorial. You can learn all about it and explains and goes over everything. Thanks so much for joining me on this live, and I will see you guys again real soon.